Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a very special bike. It's a one-off 2013. They call it the Goldmine. Got the owner here, so going to tell us a little bit about it. What are you doing today?
Good, very good.
What a pretty bike.
Okay, so it's a Goldmine, 2013. It's named after House of Color paint. Its color is called Goldmine. It's a chassis design frame, custom frame, single down tube with holes in it. The front end is also from Chassis Design, which is custom also. Has a 120-inch Ultima motor, 6-speed Ultima transmission, 26-inch wheels front and back, which were one-offs. Also has a single shock under the seat. It is a rigid frame, but
Rides nice with that shock.
rides nice with that shock. Makes a huge difference. It's almost like having suspension.
Killer
It has,
sprocket in the back too.
An Exile sprotor brake in the rear
Oh, the sprocket is the actual
is the brake, yes.
the disc.
Yep.
Wow, how cool. Open primary.
Open primary from Ultima. This brakes up front. Actually, drag bars and a hand tooled leather seat, stitched, matched to
The whole theme of the bike.
paint of the
Yeah,
bike.
it's great. Like how they airbrushed the looks like leather all the way through.
We airbrushed it to match the seat actually.
Very cool.
Done one out with that. His name's Eddie.
Very talented. This front end's amazing.
Actually, everybody asks me, you know, is it a comfortable ride? And yes, the bike is very comfortable. The ride's great. I've ridden it from Long Island into the city and back. No problems.
Love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you fire it up?
Sure. It has compression releases here.
Okay.
Press them in.
Boom.